The news ticker flashed. China completes a 55-kilometer sea bridge. My coffee went cold as I stared at the screen, trying to process the scale of what I was seeing. It wasn't just another headline, it was a signal that the world was changing, right before my eyes. The bridge, stretching across the sea, seemed almost impossible, a feat of engineering that would have sounded like fantasy just a few decades ago. Next headline, world's largest airport opens in Beijing, shaped like a phoenix. The images showed a terminal so vast and futuristic, it looked like something out of a sci-fi movie. Travelers moved through gleaming halls, dwarfed by the sheer scale of the architecture. It was more than just an airport. It was a symbol of ambition, a gateway designed to welcome the world. It felt like science fiction, but this was the morning news. These weren't just announcements, they were statements of intent, written in steel and glass. Every new project seemed to push the boundaries of what was possible, transforming skylines and redefining what a city could be. The sun rose over towers that hadn't existed a few years ago, casting new shadows on streets that were once empty. Every few months, another project made the world stop and stare. It's one thing to dream big, it's another to actually build it. The pace was relentless, cranes, workers, and machines moving in perfect coordination, turning blueprints into reality. Crowds gathered to witness history in the making, their faces lit with awe and curiosity. I've spent my life around builders, but what's happening in China is on another level. These aren't just new office buildings, they're projects that change the landscape. Entire neighborhoods are transformed, and new icons rise where there was once only empty land. The ambition is palpable, and the results are impossible to ignore. Cities rise where none could before. Regions connect after centuries of isolation. Highways and bridges carve new paths through mountains and across rivers, linking communities that were once worlds apart. The transformation is not just physical, it's social, economic, and cultural, opening doors to new opportunities and futures. The scale is staggering. Bridges so long you can't see the end, airports bigger than towns, dams that can reportedly nudge the Earth's rotation. These are not just records to be broken, they are monuments to human determination. Each structure tells a story of overcoming obstacles, of refusing to accept limits. These sound like comic book fantasies, but they're real, built by people with vision and grit. It's human ingenuity meeting massive challenges. Teams of engineers, architects, and workers come together, each playing a part in something far bigger than themselves. The sense of purpose is contagious, inspiring everyone involved to reach higher. But it's not just showing off. Each headline is a problem solved. These projects address real needs, connecting people, easing congestion, and providing new ways to live and work. They're solutions to challenges that once seemed insurmountable, proof that with enough willpower, even the biggest problems can be tackled. That bridge, it turns a 4-hour trip into 30 minutes, connecting millions. It's not just a shortcut, it's a lifeline, bringing families closer, boosting trade, and opening up entire regions to new possibilities. The impact ripples outwards, changing lives in ways that are hard to measure. That airport? A new global gateway, built for a flood of travelers. It's designed to handle the future, with technology and capacity that set new standards for the world. For many, it's the first impression of a country on the move, a place where ambition meets hospitality. Every project answers a need to move people, generate power, create space, or overcome nature's obstacles. High-speed trains cut through the countryside, dams light up cities, and planners dream up new ways to make life better for millions. It's a vision of progress that's both practical and bold. It's practical ambition, one I can respect. These are not just structures, they're blueprints for the future. Each building, bridge, and road is a promise that tomorrow can be better than today. The skyline is a canvas, and every new project adds a stroke of hope and possibility. And the world is watching. From newsrooms to living rooms, people everywhere are paying attention, inspired and sometimes astonished by what's unfolding. These headlines aren't just local news, they're global events, reminders that the future is being built, one bold project at a time. What's driving this? It's a mindset. If we can dream it, we can build it. China's been a nation of builders for centuries. Just look at the Great Wall. Today the spirit's the same, but the tools are high-tech composites, steel, AI. There's a plan. Connect the country. Modernize. Prepare for a massive population. Engineering is a national strategy, not just a profession. They're building for the next 100 years, blending old wisdom with new tech. Ancient harmony meets supercomputers designing tomorrow's cities. The result? Structures that are functional, futuristic, and culturally unique. Innovation is key. China isn't just copying, they're pushing boundaries. Government, universities, and companies work together, turning big ideas into reality. It's a powerful combination, making China a global leader in engineering. Want to see ambition in action? Look at Chongqing. This is a city that doesn't just defy expectations, it rewrites the rules of what's possible in urban design. From the moment you see its skyline, you realize you're witnessing something extraordinary. A megacity built on steep hills and riverbanks. Most would say it's impossible, but here, the impossible is just the starting point. In Chongqing, the ground floor is a suggestion, not a rule. Buildings cling to cliffs, and neighborhoods stack atop one another, creating a city that seems to float above the rivers and valleys below. Imagine stepping into an apartment lobby on the 22nd floor, or watching a metro line glide straight through the middle of a residential building. Here, exits from the same building can lead to entirely different streets, depending on which floor you're on. It's a place where verticality is embraced, not avoided. The city's bridges are legendary, multi-level, weaving through the skyline, carrying cars, trains, and people. Some bridges soar above the clouds, while others snake between towers, connecting neighborhoods that would otherwise be isolated by the city's dramatic landscape. Driving here is a true 3D experience, up, down, across, and sometimes even through. Every road, tunnel, and building is a creative solution to the city's extreme geography. Navigating Chongqing feels like moving through a living, breathing maze designed by visionaries. No flatland, build up, down, sideways. Construction here is a feat of determination and innovation, with workers and engineers constantly pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved on such challenging terrain. Chongqing is a vertical city, a living example of creative engineering. Elevators and escalators are as essential as sidewalks, moving people between layers of city life. It's not just a city, it's proof that with enough ingenuity, you can build anywhere, no matter how daunting the landscape. Here, space is a luxury, and engineering is the answer. Every inch is maximized, every challenge met with a bold solution. This is the future of urban living, a city that laughs at gravity and inspires the world. The Three Gorges Dam, controversial, colossal, and world-changing. For centuries, the Yangtze River brought both life and destruction. The dam was the answer: flood control, power, and navigation in one. It's one of the largest hydroelectric projects ever, protecting millions from floods. Its turbines generate enough clean energy for tens of millions of homes. Building it meant moving mountains, literally, and relocating over 1 million people. The logistics were staggering, the social impact immense. The dam turned the river into a shipping highway, opening China's interior to trade. Ship locks lift massive freighters over the dam, connecting regions like never before. It's a single project solving multiple problems, at a massive human and environmental cost. The Three Gorges Dam is engineering ambition, for better and for worse. China is the land of bridges, some defy logic and gravity. Across the country, these engineering marvels stretch over vast rivers, deep valleys, and bustling cities, connecting millions of people in places that once seemed impossibly far apart. Each bridge tells a story of ambition, innovation, and the relentless drive to overcome nature's obstacles. The Beipanjiang Bridge, the world's highest, floats above the clouds, connecting remote provinces and slashing travel times. Perched nearly 600 meters above a deep gorge. It's not just a feat of engineering, it's a lifeline for communities, turning what was once a daunting journey into a matter of minutes. The bridge stands as a symbol of how human ingenuity can conquer even the most challenging landscapes. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge stretches 55 kilometers, part bridge, part undersea tunnel, linking 3 cities across the sea. This colossal structure weaves together highways, artificial islands, and underwater passages, making it one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects ever attempted. It's a testament to what's possible when vision meets determination. Building it meant coordinating governments and conquering marine engineering challenges. Teams of engineers and workers braved unpredictable weather, powerful tides, and complex logistics to bring this vision to life, working around the clock for years. Where bridges can't go, tunnels do. China leads the world in tunneling. Massive machines bore through mountains and under rivers, carving out new pathways for people and goods. These tunnels are often longer and deeper than anywhere else on Earth. High-speed rail lines cut straight through mountains, creating a land subway at 350 km/h. Passengers glide from city to city in comfort and speed, barely noticing the rugged terrain outside as they travel beneath it in minutes. Dozens of tunnels connect the country at breathtaking speeds. This vast network allows trains to zip between distant cities, making cross-country travel faster and more convenient than ever before. This network is redrawing China's map, shrinking distances, and connecting once isolated regions. Towns that were once days apart are now just hours away, opening up new opportunities for trade, tourism, and cultural exchange. It's a backbone for economic growth built in the toughest conditions. Workers endure freezing winters, scorching summers, and treacherous terrain to lay the foundations for a more connected future. The hard work is hidden, but the results are everywhere. A nation connected like never before. From bustling cities to remote villages, the impact of these projects is felt in daily life, making travel easier, faster, and more reliable for everyone. This is infrastructure on a scale few can imagine. It's a vision realized in steel, concrete, and determination, reshaping a nation and inspiring the world. Amid the steel and concrete, China is building greener. Shanghai's 1,000 Trees project is a mountain of greenery, an office and shopping complex covered in trees and shrubs. It's not just beautiful, it's environmental engineering. The plants filter air, provide shade, and cool the city, cutting energy use. Nature is woven into urban design. Sponge cities use green roofs and wetlands to absorb rain, fighting floods. These ideas are spreading. Cities are becoming more sustainable and livable. The future isn't just taller and bigger, it's greener and smarter. Skyscrapers that clean their own air, cities that work with nature. This is the next level of urban engineering. Building a better future means building with the planet in mind. Behind the concrete is a digital revolution. China's supercomputers, like Sunway Taihu Light, rank among the world's fastest. They solve complex problems: weather, medicine, engineering, city planning. Simulations test skyscrapers against earthquakes before they're built. Smart cities use AI and sensors to manage traffic, cut congestion, and speed up emergency response. Hangzhou's city brain is a real-time nervous system for the city. Robotics and drones are everywhere, in factories, on farms, and lighting up the night sky. Automation and AI are transforming daily life. The digital and physical worlds are merging, powering China's mega projects. This is the invisible engine behind the visible marvels. China is a land of contrasts, ancient and ultra-modern side by side. Stand on the Great Wall, see wind farms on the horizon, temples in the shadow of skyscrapers, history blending with the future. Beijing's Daxing Airport is a starfish-shaped marvel, built for 100 million passengers. The Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge lets visitors walk on air above a canyon, engineering as experience. The Harbin Ice Festival, entire cities built from ice, glowing with LED lights. From the Terracotta Army to the world's largest aquarium, the scale is always grand. The drive to inspire awe and push limits is timeless. Whether for defense, transport, or art, the ambition to build big is part of the culture. The tools have changed, but the spirit remains. Step back and look at it all. Bridges, dams, green towers, digital brains. It's more than impressive projects, it's a nation building its future now. Built by China now means advanced, ambitious engineering. This transformation is reshaping China's identity and global image. There are challenges, environmental costs, social disruption, tough questions. But the audacity is undeniable. Humans are builders at heart. It's about shaping the world, overcoming obstacles, leaving a legacy. Over 1 billion people are deciding what their future looks like, and making it real. The story is written in concrete, steel, and fiber optics, a future you can see and touch. In many parts of China, the future has already arrived.